In this video, we will discuss Python lists and tuples. There are four collection data types in the Python programming. Python uses four built-in data types for collections of data. These data types are list, tuple, set, and dictionary. When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of that type. Choosing the right type for a particular data set could mean retention of meaning, and it could mean an increase in efficiency and security. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. We can create a list using square brackets. List items can be of any data type. A list can contain different data types. It is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, and so on. Lists are ordered. It means the items have a defined order, and that order generally will not change. If you add new items to a list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. Length function can be used to determine how many items a list has, as illustrated here. From Python's perspective, lists are objects with the data type of class list. Tuples are also used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples are written with round brackets. Like lists, tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0. Tuple items are ordered and allow duplicate values, but they are unchangeable. It is also possible to use constructor to make a tuple. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. Negative indexing is used to access the items starting from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, and so on. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. For example, here we want to return the third, fourth, and fifth item. The search will start at index 2 and end at index 5. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. If you want to start the search from the end of the tuple, you can specify negative indexes. This example returns the items from index -4 to index -1. Int keyword is used to determine if a given item is present in a tuple. This is it for now. In next part I will discuss Python sets and dictionaries. Thanks for watching.